Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. Before we jump into this analysis, remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 4 days. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Hit that subscribe button. I got thousands of people that watch this video every day. They're not subscribed to the channel. Free money. Let's go. Bitcoin weekly chart. This, obviously, Bitcoin's pulled back. Okay. The most important part to understand here is that this white or gray line that you see here is the 21 weekly simple moving average. You can see that Bitcoin's price action touched here, multiple times. Let's go back to the bull market in 2017. And you'll see it's very common for this to be support for Bitcoin. You get these, even here, look, huge pullback and then support bounce. In here, it came down, tested it, huge move, right? And so a situation like that would not be surprising at all, right? I mean, we want this level to hold. Where is the 21 weekly simple moving average at about 43,000, okay? Which, again, lines up with the idea that the downside break measured move target of this pattern, measured move, is about the same level, 43,000, which lines up with this. It shows confluence, lines up, confluence is called, right? Shows the same idea with this support level, all right? So you want to see this level hold, $42,000, $40,000, okay? Now, I'm not saying we're going straight there now, but this low right here, the issue is this low broke market structure. And so right here, you've got a low, okay? And then, so this low is now a lower low, right? And so high. And so the way to play this is, if you're holding altcoin USDT pairs, the way downside price action works is it's going to give you a little bit and take more back. Give you a little bit and take more back, because the next low is a lower low, potentially, right? And the next high is a lower high, right? So your portfolio never gets back to this level, right? Until it breaks out, right? So let's look at the 1 hour chart. And so zoomed in, what I'm looking at is this falling wedge. You have, I mean, Bitcoin's trying to put in a bottom here. Will it be successful? Will we see a move down here, and then this would form a double bottom? There's bullish divergence on the 4 hour chart. And then, you get a breakout up here. Over time, I'm looking for some type of lower high. It would make sense to see a run up to about 58,000. Then I'm looking for a possible rejection, and then the next low to be lower than the previous low, okay? So what does this mean? If you're holding altcoins and you're worried about USD value, all right, what's going to happen? All right, your altcoins are going to increase in value with Bitcoin. They're going to follow Bitcoin, and then it's going to get rejected. And then potentially they're going to be lower than the previous low, right? And so this is where people kind of just get stuck holding these coins. And so what some people will consider is taking some profits off the table. I mean, we've had an amazing run up. Like, we've made a ridiculous amount of money trading this market. But the most important part about trading this market and to be very successful is you have to manage risk. You have to take profits. I mean, I don't like to ride downtrends, me personally. Like, where's your skill set at? Like, if you exit your position, are you able to find entry again, right? That's where, like, improving your skill set over this market lull is crucial. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person paid for a month. He's in other trading groups before, and he says what the links that you go through to make sure everybody understands what's going on is ridiculous. Like, I've been posting update videos, and I think I'm going to continue that. I'm constantly active in Telegram. I just really want to, like, I'm focused and driven to make sure everybody makes the most of this market. And not taking losses is key right now. If you're taking a bunch of losses right now, then you need to learn how to manage risk, and I can help you. That's all there is to it, right? You don't want the bottom to fall out, and then all of a sudden you're standing around looking crazy. I can help you. I mean, we have tons of, this person made the 7-figure club. I got tons of millionaires that join the group. They've never traded before. These are brand new traders, all these people. I made the 7-figure club. You want to keep the 7-figure club, you got to learn how to manage risk. Don't ride downtrends. This person, I finally made the 6-figure club. Raining out there. Finally made the 6-figure club. Huge. This person, I'm already into the 7 figures, he said. And I have tons of these messages, and it's amazing, right? This person made $75,000 in the last month by buying dips. So you want to learn strategies that offset just opening up long positions and just holding, right? You want to find, because, I mean, think about it. There's a ton of money to be made in these ranges, right? During this run-up, altcoins freaking took off. During this run-up everybody's going to be super bullish. Oh my gosh, this is it. We're taking off. Everything's over. Everything's good. Everything's good. And then if it gets rejected, it's the end of the world again. And then, oh my gosh, everything's good. Everything's good. Like this roller coaster. Like, if you just ride the uptrends, take profits, ride the uptrends, take profits, buy back lower. Increase your bag sizes. If you're, dead set on holding a bunch of crypto, perfect. Do so. But I would just say adjust your approach. Don't be a permanent long-term bag holder, but just take some profits off and buy back cheaper. And again, I'm not saying use your entire portfolio to do this. I'm saying practice with small amounts. Once you can do this successfully with $100 or $200, like, obviously it's going to make sense to incorporate this idea in your trading going forward, right? Bottom line is this is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes. We're still going to have an amazing altcoin season, but Bitcoin's got to move sideways and consolidate and stop dropping. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. This is probably one of the most important things and kind of a factor that makes me pretty bullish. Everybody's scared right now. A lot of people bought the top. They FOMO'd into these coins. Last week was extreme greed. Now it's fearful. Okay. So if you look at the lows, the previous lows back through here, here we are, right? And so you buy fear, you sell greed. Like, whenever you have the thought, like, you want to tell somebody else how good you're doing, like, dude, you got to freaking buy Bitcoin. It's freaking, I made so much money. Like, everybody else is feeling that. You have to know that that's your take profits, signal. It's not like, hey, I need to dump all my Bitcoin. It's like, hey, I need to shave some profits off, so that you have USDT and you have stable coins to load up on the pullbacks, right? You're doing everything in percentages. You're scaling in, you're scaling out, right? Dollar cost averaging in and out of these positions, right? So you're getting an average buy or sell, right? So if things change, like, you're not caught looking crazy. You got to learn this stuff. This is basic stuff. Think about it. Like, you're trying to take other people's money. You're trading against the entire market, right? You're trading against other traders. For you to win long-term in this market, your skill set has to be better than some of the traders, right? At least if you're taking profits, you're going to be better than probably half the market that are retail and just holding, right? You're going to take their profits. You're taking their profits right now. They've been taking, if you didn't take profits yet, people are taking your money, right? Okay, so real quick, how to buy crypto on Google Trends hits all-time high. Like, there's a bunch of people ready to just freaking buy into this market on a bounce. So okay, it's over, pullback's over, buying on a bounce, and just understand this idea. This is going to give a lot of bullish price action on this next bounce. Cosmos has Gravity DEX coming, and this is supposed to be completed by the second quarter. Okay, so again, these types of ideas during alt BTC season, that's what's coming, right? It's time for these alt BTC pairs to outperform Bitcoin after Bitcoin slows down, stops dropping. We're going to see all the news is going to be stacked at the end of June, right? This is the second quarter, end of the second quarter, and we'll get, like, this is the little lull in altcoins. I'm telling you right now, now's the time to learn. And then, boom, watch me now. This is the total altcoin market cap, total value of the altcoins. Okay, so here's what we have here, right? If you're holding altcoins, your value, your portfolio value was at its peak here, right? Then you got this crazy drop and you got wrecked. And then you rode it up, and now your portfolio value is not as high as it was here, right? Well, then it got wrecked again. All right. Well, guess what's about to happen? There's about to be a run up. Okay. Now, if this high isn't higher than this high or this high, your previous highs of your portfolio, what happens is people are like, well, I can't sell at a loss. But guess what's going to happen next? Another drop down, right? And then all of a sudden your portfolio is lower than it was here, right? And here. Okay. And so being able to understand this idea changes the game completely. This is how you become 6-figure, 7-figure club, right? If you're ever like looking at this market, looking at your portfolio, and you're like, man, it just keeps going back and forth, that's because you get stuck in these ranges. The game changes. And again, when this breaks out, and it will, I'm confident it will, you know, we're going to come up here, test all-time highs. We're going to, you know, continue to move upward. The bull market's not over. I'm not looking at this as being a top for Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance. If this breaks higher, altcoins will bleed, period. I mean, massive losses coming for altcoins as this trends higher, right? That means the money's flowing into Bitcoin. So just make sure and understand Bitcoin dominance. This breaks lower, off to the races, altcoins start to take off. This is Ethereum USDT, and Ethereum looks better than Bitcoin, okay? However, Ethereum in the past has been controlled by Bitcoin, right? And so what you had here was a situation, and so Ethereum's been in this amazing uptrend, right? Uptrend, right? Higher highs and higher lows. Now, this is still healthy, bullish price action, right? It needs to hold this level, and Ethereum's going to take off with Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin bounces. The question is, like, so you got this little double bottom here, just like you had here. Once this level breaks, this was actually a setup right here that I posted in the trading group. Pulled some profits out of this. And again, we're looking for this kind of double bottom confirmation lines here, right? And then will we break all-time highs? Will it get rejected here at this previous high? Okay, these are ideas that you're thinking about. If it does break all-time highs, you know, you're looking for $2,900, $3,100 Ethereum. When you open a trade, you don't know where the price action is going to go, but you have a lot of pretty good ideas based on what's happening with the rest of the market, right? And so that's where you're like building the bullish case, the bearish case for these coins and these trades and these setups. If you have 40 coins, how are you able to do this? How are you able to look at this type of idea on a regular basis for 40 coins, right? I recommend maybe 3 to 5 coins, right? 7 at the most. If Bitcoin's trending lower, I would go with less coins because I mean you're having to babysit them. Right, I'm not really holding a whole lot of altcoins right now. If Bitcoin breaks out, when Bitcoin breaks higher, and we start to get that move to the upside, looking for some short-term trading. Right, this is Ethereum BTC, and again, I'll look for BTC pairs to take off when this level is broken, and then possibly a bullish retest. Right, so I mean, because you got this previous resistance level. I mean, you could see 170% gains after Ethereum's able to break this. But, I mean, there's still some space in here, if you understand, like this, looking for some type of move to the upside. When this breaks out higher, I look for alt BTC pairs to really take off. There's tons of outliers, right? I'm going to help you guys find the winners on the channel, in the trading group, and whatnot, right? There's always exceptions, but you have to understand like the general vibe of the entire market. You play the general vibe, you're gonna do a lot better than if you didn't. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.